All right, let's begin. First chord you're going to learn is E minor. This is the easiest chord on the guitar. Before we get started, it's important to note that your fingernails on your left hand or your fretting hand need to be as short as possible, all right? So they don't get in the way of pressing the strings. Okay? Place your middle finger on the second fret of the fifth string. Underneath, place your third finger on the second fret of the fourth string. Make sure your fingers are as close to the fret as possible. All right, not on the fret, not back here, but right up next to it like so. Have your thumb over top of the neck, not touching the string, but just over top, resting up here. All right. Squeeze, strum all 6 strings, and you should get something like that. Go one string at a time to make sure every string is clear. So and there you have it, E minor. Another fingering that is also common is to use your first finger on the second fret of the fifth string and your middle finger underneath on the second fret of the fourth string. This also works. Usually depends which chords you're changing to or which chord you're coming from. So either one works for now. First and second fingers or second and third fingers. So if you found this video helpful, you can show your appreciation by leaving a comment in the comment section or giving me an upvote. Or if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section, or any requests, leave them in the comment section. Thanks.